Hey guys, so today we're going to be cooking. Ooh. Wait, hold on, I need to read this again. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna have to go with the chili chicken. Cooking light. I'm actually cooking, guys. This is insane. That does not seem like a lot of water. Okay, so I have this little box with me here, and it is called Green Chef. And basically what it is, Green Chef is a USDA certified organic company. I don't know why I said it like that. They make eating very easy and affordable for every different lifestyle, whether you're vegan, vegetarian, paleo, keto, whatever you are. They have different eating plans for everybody, and they sent me a little box. I honestly don't remember what meal plan I got, but we're gonna open it up and see together. I'm very, very excited. I've never done anything like this where, you know, like they ship you everything. It's all portioned. Hold on, I'm gonna sit this down here in the background so y'all can see that. But yeah, I've never done anything where it like ships to your house and you cook, so I'm very, very excited to try this out. Everything comes already in the box ready for you to cook it. They have meal plans, and if you try out a specific meal plan and you want to switch anything up, you can go and like just switch up your meal plan and choose a different one just so that you can try different options and things like that. But everything comes proportioned, ready for you to cook, and it's very, very simple and easy. It definitely would help if, you know, you don't have time to go to the grocery store or anything like that. You know, you just have a very hectic lifestyle, or even if you just don't like going to the grocery store, you just want something that's easier. This is definitely going to be great for you. They also have step-by-step, so it's going to be, like I said, I've said this easy so many times because it truly is going to be very easy, and we're going to see here together because, like I said, I've never tried this, so we're going to try it out together, and I'll let you know exactly how I feel after we're done cooking. If you know anything about me, I'm not a good cook, so hopefully I don't mess this up. But we're going to open up our box together, and we're going to see what all Green Chef provided. Also, I do want to say, if you guys didn't get the hint already, this is a partnership with Green Chef, so thank you to them for sending me this amazing box. But if you guys like to try Green Chef all for yourself, you guys can go to greenchef.us and use code SavWay100, and that will get you $100 off of your box, and then plus you'll get free shipping. So definitely a really good deal. And if you guys have wanted to try this for like a while or whatever, I think this would definitely be the time because, you know, money off is always good. But yeah, we're gonna open up our box and see what we got, and then we're gonna get to cooking. And I think this is gonna be very interesting because I can't cook. Quick little angle switch, but I'm gonna open this up. I'm actually so excited, you guys. You have no idea. I've wanted to try one of these things for freaking ever. Okay, so the first thing that is in here is just a hand a friend this card. Oh, you can get a free box. That is so cool. Okay, so I have that, and then I have a premium perks pack. Then it comes with these. So these are your different like meal options. Ooh, I think I'm gonna make this. This looks good. Okay, so I have Cuban pico de gallo casserole. I don't know if I said that right. I'm sorry. Don't hate me. But okay, so this is the first option. And then we have, I can't speak, pork chops with truffle rosemary sauce. Sorry, that looks so freaking good. This looks so good. I think definitely I'm going to make this for my family though, because I probably won't eat that, but they probably will. And plus my dad's trying to be healthy and everything. So I think this is perfect. I don't know if I want to make this one or this one. This one's Thai sweet tea. Not sweet tea. This is Thai sweet chili chicken. See, does that not look fire? That looks so good. So I think I'm deciding between these two. I think I'm gonna have to go with the chili chicken because I don't really like pork chops that much, but this just looks so good. These all take 30 minutes, which is insane. Like, that's so good. Then it comes with like all your ingredients. So, oh, well, that's cool. So I think this like keeps everything like cool or chill or whatnot. They all come in like little individual bags. I want to try to show you guys, but it looks like that. I'm struggling. But they all come like individually packaged up, and then everything's inside them. Thai sweet chili chicken is what we're making, so I'm gonna get that out. And then we have our other two ones. Ooh, okay, so there's Pete's coffee. It comes with Pete's coffee. Y'all, this is literally like Christmas. And then, okay, so there's like little ice packs, and this is how it like keeps it cool. This one is our chicken cutlet, our boneless pork chop, our ground beef. So that's all the meat. That's everything. I just need the chicken, so I'm gonna just take out the chicken and then I'm gonna put all the other stuff back. We have our Thai chicken, and we're about to get cooking. So for the Thai sweet chili chicken, it's going to be 30 minutes cook time for servings of 2, and it's 700 calories per serving, so that's like. And this one is gluten-free. Very excited. Okay, so I'm gonna need a small pot with a lid, 2 medium saucepans, a measuring cup, spoons, thermometer, cooking oil, and salt and pepper. So I'm gonna get all of that out right now. I'm just gonna use these 2 pans, and then it says we need a small pot, so I have this little pot. And then here's the lid for this pot. So period. Oh, that's so cool. It gives you like the allergens just in case you're allergic to anything. There's tree nuts and there's also soy in this, so that's very, very helpful. So it says the Thai-inspired chili sauce in tonight's 30-minute dish features savory, sweet flavors with a touch of heat. Here, the sauce made with tamari, rice, wine vinegar, honey, and red pepper flakes is drizzled over tender pan-seared chicken cutlets for a bold finish. Sauteed broccoli and red bell peppers, studded with cashews, makes a colorful side with a sprinkle of black and white sesame seed, adds a subtle nutty crunch throughout. The ingredients are 8 items. There's jasmine rice, broccoli, red bell pepper, roasted cashews, chicken cutlets, sweet chili garlic, tamari sauce, honey, and black and white sesame seeds. And then there's like little stars next to things, so there might be like a big bell pepper or something. And then it says that the chicken will be done when it's at 165 degrees, which good to know because I've never cooked chicken a day in my life. Like, I've cooked meals before, but never like a fancy meal like this. So hopefully this turns out really good. If it does, I'm gonna be so excited. So the instructions are in the back. Okay, so first thing we need to do is we need to boil our jasmine rice. I need 1 cup of water and about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and boil in a small pot. Stir, then reduce heat to medium-low and cover with a lid. Wait, hold on, I need to read this again. Just 1 cup? That seems like not a lot. Okay, well, I'm doing what it says. 1 cup of water, and I'm, oh shit. Put that in my bowl. That does not seem like a lot of water. And then in my little bag, okay, never mind. There's not a lot of rice. So that's my rice. Oh wait, hold on. Before I do that, I'm gonna put in my salt. I'm not gonna measure this just because I never do that. And then I'm gonna put in my rice. Okay, so I need to get this to a boil, and then once it's to a boil, I put it on medium to low heat, and then I cover it with the pot. I cover it with the lid and let it simmer for 16 to 18 minutes. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see me. Sorry, guys. Okay, so we have the rice going, and we're going to let that boil. And then whenever it starts to boil, I'm going to put it on medium to low heat and then let it simmer. So then the next step is to prep. Thinly sliced broccoli lengthwise, and then medium diced red bell peppers into pieces about 1.5 inch. Roughly chopped roasted cashews if necessary. So basically just cut up everything. I don't feel like dirtying up something, so I'm going to use a paper plate. Also, don't forget to wash your hands, but I already did that like before I started filming, so that's why I'm not doing that. But I'm going to put my chicken over here. We have our broccoli. I'm going to go ahead and cut that open, and then we're going to cut our broccoli. Okay, so here's all my broccoli. I just cut all of that up, and then I also went ahead and put on the top. So I'm gonna start my timer on my microwave. Now we have all our broccoli. I'm gonna put this to the side, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my bell pepper. It's just half a bell pepper, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut this up on this other little plate. Real quickly, I'm just gonna stir my rice. So I'm gonna get a little spoon. Okay, so here we go. This is gonna be probably like the hard part. We're about to cook the chicken. Cooking light. I'm gonna cook my chicken in this pan, the big pan. I don't even think I need 2 pans. I'll put my towel over my shoulder, you know, like a real cook. Okay, so I need to pat my chicken dry. I think the sirens are going off. They go off every Wednesday. Let me just do this right here. You guys can't even see. There we go, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna take my little paper towel. Sorry if y'all hear the sirens, but I'm gonna just take my chicken, pop it out like that, and then I'm gonna just pat it dry. Okay, and then once it's dry, I'm gonna take them and put them on this paper plate. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my seasonings. They just said to put salt and pepper on there, but I'm gonna go ahead and put granulated garlic on there as well. Do that, and then I'm gonna put some garlic on there. I'm gonna flip my chicken. we'll do the same thing on the other side. The salt comes out so easy, but the pepper does not. And then a little bit of granulated garlic. Then I'm gonna add some oil. I don't know if that's too much. I'm gonna turn my pan on, and then I'm gonna put in my meat. I'm using tongs just cause. Oops. Okay, well, it says to do about like 4 to 6 minutes on both sides, so that's what I'm gonna do. I have my timer, and I'm just gonna put 5 minutes, and I'm gonna do them both on 5 minutes. Oh, I'm actually cooking, guys. This is insane. Okay, so here's my chicken, and then here's my rice. She's got 5 minutes left. She's looking pretty good though. She's just a little sticky. But I don't know. I think that's how it's supposed to be, but yeah. Oh my God, these look so good. There's like not even a lot of fat or nothing. Like, this is beautiful. Oh my God, it's like hurts. Ah! Oh my God. Ah! Oh my God, I don't like this. Oh my God. Okay, yep, I'm not touching that. She's sizzling. I'm kind of getting scared. Okay, my rice is about to be done. I think I'm just gonna take my rice off because it only has like a minute left. So yeah, I'm just gonna take that off and move my rice. I'm just gonna put it like right there. You know, I have about a couple seconds. So now we're gonna attempt to try to flip our chicken. Oh, she's a little crispy. She's a little crispy, but that one's not. So this is what she's looking like. I mean, I think it looks pretty good. I think that one is gonna be mine. That one's a little burnt. So we'll see. It says to do the sauteed vegetables and stuff in like a whole other pan. But honestly, I just like, I don't feel like doing that. Okay, never mind. We are gonna do that. Okay, so it says to add about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil into this pan. About a tablespoon. I don't really know how much that is, so we're just gonna put in that much. I don't know if you can see it. And then we're gonna add some salt. I don't think this pan's big enough, but we're gonna add our broccoli. We're gonna add our bell peppers, and then we're gonna also add our cashews. But I'm gonna add a little bit of oil over top of it, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more pepper. I'm also gonna add some granulated garlic. And then we're just gonna let that cook. Okay, yeah, these are definitely cooked. I'm gonna take my chicken and I'm gonna just put it on this plate. I'm gonna dump these into this pan just because this pan's a lot bigger. And then in this pan, I'm gonna take the sauce packet, pour the sauce in there. Add some water. Then it says to add your chicken. I'm just gonna put this on low heat, but it basically just says to coat these and just kind of like let them sit and coat in it. This hasn't even been cooking, but I'm gonna turn this on. You're also supposed to add the honey. I just forgot to add it. Oh, shit. Okay, so I think I'm about done and I'm ready to plate. So I have my plate. I already took everything like off of the heat. So the first thing that we have is our rice. It just looks like this. It's jasmine rice. So I'm just gonna take some rice. Then we have our sauteed vegetables. So I'm just gonna take some of those and just put them on top. And then you are supposed to cut the chicken, but I'm not going to. I think I'm just gonna leave it on there like how it is. So I'm just gonna add my chicken, add a little sauce. Y'all! Oh my god, it looks so good. I'm so excited. Look how good it looks. Y'all, this looks bomb. We're gonna try it. Ooh. That is so good. The chicken looks amazing. This was so easy to make, actually. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more difficult, but it really wasn't. Like, it was super easy. And the instructions are very, very clear as to like what you need to do, so you guys don't have to worry about anything like that. It's very, very easy, and this looks amazing. Also, I am a picky eater, and like even this meal is like great. So basically the only things I really wouldn't eat is the bell peppers. I just don't really, I don't know. I'm gonna try them. I mean, the chicken's cutting pretty nicely. I'm gonna mix everything up. Firstly, I'm just gonna get a piece of broccoli. I also have a bell pepper on there, literally just for y'all because I don't like peppers. This is fire. Oh my god, this is so good. Oh my god, this is so good. I love it. Look how good. Well, period. I think this was so much fun. I love doing this video for you guys. I hope y'all got a good laugh out of it. Thank you so much to Green Chef for sending me this. They have such amazing options, and if this is something that you've been wanting to look into, I definitely think you should just go to their website. It's greenchef.us and just check it out, see what they have to offer. You know, you might be really, really intrigued by it. You just go give, you know, what harm does it do just giving the website a look. So I definitely think you guys should go to greenchef.us and go check them out. You guys can use the code SavWay100 for $100 off plus free shipping. Thank you again to Green Chef for sending me this. I think I did an amazing job. You guys let me know in the comments how you think I did, if it looks good, all of that. I think it tastes great, but I want to know you guys' opinion, if y'all got a good laugh out of this video and whatnot. But thank you again to Green Chef. Thank you guys for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!